So what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be opening the Steam Siege Blister Pack set. In this set you get the Rayqauza promo card and I've got a Pikachu hollow foil pin. So let's get this opening, guys. I got this box set from Card, check them out. Link in the description below. I've never met these blister packs easy, ever. Well, here you go then, guys. Got the Pikachu gold coin, the Rayqauza Black Star Hollow, and 3 Steam Siege Booster Packs. We'll start with the 5-volt pack then, guys. Card, guys. Okay guys, first card, Hello Chat, Tangrowth, Special Charge, Croagunk, Tangler, Clink, Joltik, Barnard, Reverse Hollow Skiploom, and the rarest pack, guys, is an Ampharos Hollow. On to the next pack then, guys. Card, guys. First card then, guys, Pokemon Ranger, Tangrowth, Captivating Pokepuff, Yanma, Airpump, Clauncher, Fletchling, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Toxicroak. That's a rare, guys. And the last card in this pack, guys, is Drudigon, rare, non-hollow. Okay then, guys, last pack to this video. First card then, guys, Drifloon, Ninja Boy, Zwellius, Drifloon, Marill, Shellos, Mantine, Clink, Reverse Hollow Marill, and the rarest pack, guys, is Mega Steelix EX. It's a good way to end the video, guys. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.